Hey, what's up, you guys? So, something a little annoying happened. So, this video we're gonna be starting on chapter 3. I might not have a chapter 2 video because recording it, right? I finished the chapter. I think it took about 45-50 minutes. PlayStation, when I saved the video, I think it only saved like the last 7 minutes because I guess that's all it had space for. But yeah, that much sucks. I mean, I'm sure anyone watching this video right now has already seen tons of gameplay, so you know what happens in Chapter 2. Quick rundown, basically, we met this dude, Luis, and me and him were tied, we escaped. Then we made our way to this, like, huge area with, like, a bunch of ladders and a bunch of barrels you can shoot, and there's a bunch of zombies there. So we made it past that. You're not missing much. I died a bunch, but I made it. Last major thing that happened was Mr. X wannabe came in the room that we're in right now. He beat the shit out of us. And he was about to finish us off, but Ada Wong shot him twice in the head or whatever, and she dipped, he dipped, and we're just here. So sorry for the yap session. We're gonna jump into it right now.
I've got that intel you requested on Luis Serra. It
Yeah,
seems
that's
he
his
used to
name.
be a researcher
Luis
for
Serra.
Umbrella.
Umbrella? I should have left him in that bag to rot.
I'm sending you the details. Take a look, but Baby Eagle is your priority.
Copy that. Making my way to the church. Condor 1, out.
This room's pretty cool vibe though, no? Like the lighting is pretty dope. Cozy vibes. And then when we get down here, not so cozy vibes. Excuse me. Ooh. Some Blair Witch stuff. Oh. Let's free this little guy. Go on, buddy. You're free.
Take care of yourself, buddy.
Yeah, be careful. Bruh. Let's use this magical key. Boom. Alright, and we're off. Into this creepy ass cave. Oh. Okay, so we're back in the... Wait, no, this isn't like the starting area, no, right? Oh, yeah, it is. Oh, I just came from that... Wait, I couldn't... Okay.
Surprise,
Oh,
motherfucker.
shit. Bruh. I was kind of zoned out for a second, because I was like thinking, oh, whoa, what the... Yo, okay, I can't even talk, hold up, I gotta lock in. What the fuck? Wait, hold on. One at a time? Oh, come on, bro. Okay, this is not so good. Alright, let me get up, guys. Alright, who next? Oh, I see you. Eyeballing me over there. Bullets. Oh, come on, Leon!
Bruh.
Okay, so we're gonna pretend that didn't happen. At least this time we know what's coming up. Big boom and dogs. Alright, let's go. Oh. Damn. Damn, I'm using so much ammo on these guys. Please just die. Can make some ammo. Let me make some. Please do one more handgun. Oh. Oh shit! Jeez. Wasting. Oh. Damn, bro, running up on me.
Sorry, must have slipped.
Hell no!
Don't follow me in here, please. Alright, hopefully you can't follow me in here. Okay. What the? Oh, sh! Oh. I'm just gonna put a snake in my pocket. Ugh. Who's this guy? The edgelord around here? Oh, a big ass head. Ooh, I need that. Are these just all heads? Let's not get added to that collection. Let's keep going.
I have some new
Oh, shit. Bro be popping up and just scaring people.
Welcome. I got something new for you. You'll get some bang for your buck. I guarantee it.
Can I
Make
upgrade
up
the
for a
shotgun or the pistol?
lack of skill, friend.
Thinking the pistol first. I'm gonna do this,
We're starting
and then
to
let's
get
at
an
least
idea of
upgrade
your
this
tastes,
once.
friend.
Reload
So,
speed.
you-
I think I
there
like
you
that.
are. As you wish. Your valuables won't do you much good in the grave. Thank you. Come back anytime.
Alright, let's go forward. Bruh, I do not want to explore this building. Looks creepy as hell, man. Oh shit. Why is bro just waiting around the corner like that, man? Where? Oh. Is it just you, man? Oh, what was that? What the hell was that? Ooh, there we go. Alright, y'all didn't see that missed shot, though. No one saw that. Hi, birdie.
Damn it. Condor 1 to Roost. The church is sealed up.
And Baby Eagle?
Negative. Nothing yet. But they sure do have this place locked up tight.
I see. I can think of one reason they'd want to do so.
Oh, she's here. That's for sure. I'll find a way in. Condor 1, out.
See if we could find a way in. Boom. That was easy. Okay, so Ashley is definitely here. What's in here? Anything cool? No, it's a yellow diamond. I'll take that. What? A pest fro he outside has
Bruh.
the okay, not reading all that.
Lake. Let's hope for no more surprises.
Nice. Saving. Okay. So like I was saying earlier though, in chapter what was it, 2, the gameplay that got deleted, how I was saying playing this game, you know, as a kid, only making it to the beginning, you know, that little spiel. So I think the last place I made it, last time playing this remake, was that lake. I think I remember fighting the giant fish or whatever. After that, the chapter ended and I left it right there. But after the fish, for sure, the rest I don't know anything, so I guess let's just go down. But yeah, I just want to let y'all guys know that I ain't trying to lie, and you know, it ain't cool. Nice, we got a little shortcut. Lago. The lake. But yeah, I'm hyped to get past the, oh. Look, oh shoot. On chapter 2, it was like an area that kind of looked like this, and there's a bunch of dudes like this guy. But instead of Molotovs, they had dynamites. I died so many times on the, there's like a wooden bridge in the middle. I died so many times on that thing because I would, hold on, I gotta lock in. Oh. Okay, we'll kick that guy. There's so many times I died on that bridge because I would, like, shoot the zombie in the head. Ooh. I would shoot him in the head, and then it would give me that little indicator to, like, kick him, right? So I would kick him on the bridge, and the bridge would just, like, collapse, and I would die. I think I died 3 times doing that. So annoying, but... What's in here? Gunpowder. Oh shit! Wait! Oh, hold on! Oh shit! Get out of the way! You don't see that damn snake, bruh? How did the snake survive? Is it alive? No, you dead, right? Please tell me you're dead. You're dead, right? Okay. Bruh. Let's heal though. Holy crap. Ooh, we got a yellow herb. Okay, we're gonna mix it, and you're gonna use this right now so it gives us extra health. Hell yeah, let's go. Okay. Oh, what the fuck? Yo, damn, y'all have good aim. Holy. Bro, where you getting all these Molotovs from? Just pulling it out your ass? Where you at, lady? Oh, he saw me. Oh, shit! Oh. Stab. Alright, let's get the hell out of here. Oh. Whoa, 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 be careful, be careful. Y'all saw that? I almost ran into that thing. Cool.
Good luck finding someone big enough to use this thing.
Bro. Blue medallions again? I don't like this. Big open area. A big ass door. A big hammer that was just there. What? I don't like this. Okay, let's move along this way, right? Yeah, let's just go this way. Purple fire. That stinky guy who sells things is here. Or around here. Oh, what's up, man? I like this area. Yeah. I'll damn, can I have that for free? Imagine. Okay, we got a piece. There's an elevator? What?
Why not treat yourself, mate?
Let's see. What can I do? What can I do?
Select in the grave.
Let me see what the total is. You know what? I'm just gonna sell. I'm sorry.
A deal well struck.
Yeah, you heard him. A deal well struck. Okay, yeah. Let's upgrade the power.
If you want, we're starting to.
And then let's do this because it's only
See how
4,000.
that feels, mate.
I'm gonna buy this.
I don't.
And then let's upgrade the power, and that's probably gonna be
Try
it for
that
now.
on for size. Come
Nah,
back
thank you, sir.
anytime.
Alright, I was just checking to see how long the recording is, because after what happened, man, it's making me nervous having this recording go on, like, for a while. Because, like, if it doesn't save, that would be so annoying. But we're just gonna take a chance, and hopefully it all goes good. What's going on over here? Oh. Homie did not deserve that, man.
What the hell was that?
Whoa. Bro, them ankles. You know that shit gonna be sore in the morning, man? So I guess I need 2 more. Ooh, nice. Another yellow one. Love it. Damn, we got a bunch of kitchen knives now, huh? 3? Like that. And what's over here? Wait, it was already over here? I came from over there, right? Oh shit!
Shit.
That scared the fuck out of me. Oh. You don't see anyone? Oh, damn. Did she just... Ah, damn. Oh, this area is gonna be problems, huh? Oh, what the hell is that? What the... What? Hold on. Hold on, what? Where did this guy come from? What? Damn, what's his routine? Ooh. You like my new and improved shotgun, man? Oh. Oh shit. Please just die, man, please. I don't want to fight you. You're scary. Okay, finally he died. Whoa. Get me out the water, man. Oh. No, you dying right there, bruh.
They keep coming.
I know, right? Alright. Oh. Oh, wait, let's talk about this guy. Not. Wait, hold up. Don't run into it. Okay, let's walk to it slowly. Slowly. Alright, nice. Jeez, I'm over this area. This area sucks. Let's go over here. Is there someone right behind me? Oh. Thank you. Oh, close the door, close the door. Don't let that snake in. Alright, we got the boat field. Let's get the hell out of here.
I'm talking about.
Damn, we just getting a whole bunch of things. Let's go. Oh, good. Hopefully that's 3. Let's go back to the boat. The little boat. The little boat that could. You're the guy that's been shooting me? Oh, what? Okay, I'll take it. What? Alright, let's keep going. Damn. Who's talking? Oh. Well, let's go say what's up to these guys. Can I jump down to here? Dude, them ankles, man. Oh, yo. Oh.
Give me a break already.
Yo, wait.
They keep coming.
Yo, not do the knife thing. Okay. Boom. Alright, let's get out of here, man. I'm tired of this area, man. Oh. Got him. Sorry, Mr. Snake. You're going in my pocket now. Got like 4 snakes in my pocket right now, man. Pretty dope, right? Boom. That hole empty. Alright, let's go. Let's just go, right? Let's just go for it. Bruh. That gas went out like that. Went out so quick. Oh, I thought he was gonna be like just. Oh. I thought it was gonna just be staring at us like on the other side when the camera panned back. Wait. Oh. we just we just got infinite harpoons right here. Excuse me. Whoa. Oops. Man, I suck at this. Come on, come out the water, man. Wait, hold up now. Okay, there we go. Damn. Oh, he pissed. Okay, there we go. Okay, we landing some shots. Oh, shit. Damn, that was horrible. Oh, I'm supposed to move the thing, right? Oops. That had to have hit him. Oh, bro, I can't. Dude, this boat's gonna die. Okay, wait, let's lock in. Where's he at? Where's he at?
Where'd you go?
Is that him right there? Oh. Bro, just die, please. Okay, I think he's dead now, right? Jeez. All right. Chapter 3, right? Yeah, chapter 3. That's over. Finally. Now I could take another 2-year break or whatever.
Bruh.
I'm just kidding. Start the next chapter soon. One's made it this far. I appreciate it. And I'll see y'all guys on the next one. Peace.